This print-on-demand t-shirt has made over 5,000 sales in a lifetime of a listing, and there are multiple products just like this that has done extremely well also. And if you are struggling with creating designs for your t-shirt business, I want to share with you an easy AI tool you can use that will bring in just not amazing designs, but also amazing text features to make your product stand out even more. I'll share with you how to create this AI design and how to upload this to your print-on-demand product so you can start selling this today. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'll share with you some of the sales I have made in November utilizing similar AI designs that you can start selling right now on Etsy. And I'll share with you some of my steps you can take to help you make consistent daily sales as well. I'll share this all with you coming up next. Welcome back to the video, my friends. If you're new here, my name is Jay, and on this channel, I teach you how to make income online by creating and selling your own products. And so if you like content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel. All right, so if you want to create an amazing design for print on demand and utilizing AI with print on demand like Printify can be a powerful resource. And before we get started, we definitely want to make sure that we prove there is a demand for this product. So one of the best niches I have found that can sell truly all year round is the fishing shirt niche. And when we open this up in Etsy, we can see some things here that's tied to really top selling products here. We can see this product here has received 40 sales in the last 30 days. We can see this t-shirt sold 24 sales in the last 30 days. And this shirt here sold 83 sales in the last 30 days. And there's many more like this that's selling extremely well also. And so we know there is definitely a demand for the fishing niche. And again, this is something that can be done just not for this month, but all year round. So one of the places that we're going to use to help us sell our print-on-demand products today is Printify. The reason for this is that they have an amazing catalog of products for you to start creating and designing, and their seamless connection with Etsy. It makes it really easy for this to be one of the most passive income businesses you can start when you are actually selling a physical product. They take care of the printing and shipping for you, where the only thing you need to focus on is creating amazing designs and launching those designs on a platform like Etsy, where you can get your products seen and sold and start generating income. Now, Printify was so kind to give my audience a discount code to get started utilizing their Printify premium version. 30 days absolutely for free. This gives you a little discounts on products. As you can see here, the standard price here for the Gilding 18,000 series is $17.63, but with Printify premium you get it at a little bit of a discount here at $13, therefore saving more money in your pocket every time you get an order. Now you can get started with Printify absolutely for free as well, but if you do want to jump on their premium version, I'll make sure I leave that discount code down in my description box for you to check it out on your own and to see if it is best for your print-on-demand business. And so we definitely want to jump in here and create for ourselves a t-shirt that we can make even better with the power of AI, maybe bring in some more colors, but still stay true to what we know to sell. Now, when we talk about these type of t-shirts, we know that having a popular phrase is going to be very helpful for us to sell this product. So we're going to take a shirt like this that says "Born to Fish, Forced to Work," but we want to redesign this using AI to see what we get as a result. All right, and if we open up this product, we can see some additional data here. We see this hot red in demand where it has sold 2 in the last 24 hours. It is a best-selling product here. But as you can see, the fishing shirt niche is amazing in regards to sales. Again, this made 40 sales in the last 30 days, but just in a lifetime of the listing, it made over 5,000 sales. And again, combining the power of AI and print on demand, I think we can do extremely well and definitely create an amazing product very quickly here that we can start selling on our Etsy shop. Now, this process can work just not for t-shirts, but for sweatshirts as well. As we can see here, there's a lot of opportunity we can do to create high quality designs, taking upon these popular phrases and utilizing AI to really crank out a lot of popular designs for our print on demand business. So we can see again, one of the main things that's going to be the driving force of our product creation is bringing in this popular phrase, "Born to fish, forced to work." Now, if you have used any AI tool to create designs, text on the design can be very challenging, but one specific AI tool that has been helpful when we're trying to create designs for a print-on-demand business is My Designs, because they have a great AI design tool that can help you create amazing text style designs for your print-on-demand business. And we're going to jump into Dream AI here. We want to change the model to be ideogram version 2, as that has been one of the best versions for me to get the text I want. Our goal here is to redesign this product here and to bring more colors into our design with AI, but still be true to this popular phrase we know to do extremely well. And here's the prompt that we're going to use for our AI design here. I have it set to 3-4. Again, we are going to add in our prompt here, and we're going to see what we get as a result. Now, again, I am doing text to image. I am using ideogram version 2 here, and we have magic prompt just turned off for this. And let's see what we get as a result. And here is one of the results of our design. And I think this came out extremely well. Again, it did it very great here with our text, pouring the fish forced to work, and then brought in that element we wanted, where we have a fish coming out of the water with splashes, and we have that fishing rod, which is also a part of the best-selling products here. And we added in just amazing graphics utilizing AI tools to help us with our print-on-demand business. Now, again, we create this within seconds, which is also a great way for you to scale out these products utilizing AI tools for you to create multiple print-on-demand products for your Etsy business. Now, we also created another version of this as well. As you can see, we just simply hit dream again, and it gave us a different version of this. But again, we can go in here a little bit further and add in different colors if you wanted to, maybe put in a bass instead of this type of fish here. But as you can see, I think this design came out well. Now, two things we have to do with our design is upscale it and remove the white background here. To accomplish this, I like bringing this over into Kiddo, because that just makes it really easy for me to remove the background and upscale this image all in one place. Now, with that being said, all I have to do here is right click this and hit copy image, and I can head over to Kiddo and start removing the background and upscaling the image here. Now, before I get started, I want to jump into new project. I want to actually select the preset for t-shirts, because that's what we're going to upload this for. So I want to head over to print on demand here, and I want to select the t-shirt for Printify, and all of the settings are in place for me to have the proper dimensions. I'll hit create, and now I have my blank canvas here. I copied over this design to my clipboard here, and now I'm simply going to right click and paste. And as you can see, this is a very quick way to get those type of designs over into Kiddo. And we're going to make this larger. As we can see here, the design is all the way there. Now, everything is in place. I can set this to be center for my design here, which is all good. I can go ahead and remove the background here just simply by clicking this button, because again, that background is white. And just to share with you what that looks like here, I can change my canvas background to a different color, and that white is still in the shot, and I don't want that to be there. So I'll just leave this kind of dark gray for you to see the difference here. So when I click over to background remover, it's going to remove that white background within seconds, which is going to be perfect for us to upload on a t-shirt. And as you can see, that came out perfectly. Now, one of the things we also have to do is make sure we upscale our image so that it can fit the quality of our t-shirt that we are selling. Simply go down to AI image upscaler, and just by one click, it is going to upscale our image. And you can really see the fine detail of our image here, as opposed to going to the original place here with our image. Again, I'm not sure if you can see that from your side, but that is a huge difference from the image quality here of the fish, and then going into Kiddo and seeing the details as well. Again, that came out extremely well for us, and it sharpened up our image so that it could be perfect for us to upload this to our print on demand shop. All right, so with that in place, everything is great here. We go ahead and put this back in place for our canvas design. And again, we can change the background to be white just to make it easier for us to see our entire design. Again, I make sure it's centered once again. And now I want to save this as a PNG transparent background for me to upload to my Printify t-shirt. So with that being said, I head over to download here. Again, all the settings are done. It's in the PNG file format. I'll go ahead and hit download here. And now we are in Printify, and we're going to head over to catalog here, and we're going to select a t-shirt for our product that we're going to create. I like to focus on the Bella Plus Canvas 3000 series here. That's the one I'm going to pick for my design. And as I go in here, I can see all type of data in regards to who is selling these. Again, what is the overall price of the product here. I can see the shipping time, where it's shipped from, and again, where on the shirt I can print, and the size of the shirt, as well as the colors. And the print on demand provider I like to go with is Monster Digital, as they have been great for my products that I sell online with Etsy. So that being said, everything is done here. I will hit start designing. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab that design we created in Dream AI over into our t-shirt canvas. And there's a lot of ways you can do that. You can upload it here. or I like to simply drag and drop my design as I have my folder open, and I'm going to drag and drop my design here. And as you can see, this came out perfect for our design here. Again, it laid exactly on our t-shirt from top to bottom. I think this is a great product we can start selling on our Etsy shop. We can select different colors too if we want, but in today's video, we'll just stick with the white, and then we can head over to preview to see how this will look. And as you can see, we have our t-shirt here that we created with AI, and we can see our t-shirt here as well. And again, I think that's just a super easy way for you to create outstanding t-shirt designs. You can start creating and selling for your print-on-demand business, and this really speeds up that entire process, especially when you're competing with t-shirts like this that's not really adding in a lot of color, but we can definitely utilize those AI tools and AI prompts to bring in a lot of color into the space. Again, taking upon these popular phrases like this one here and bringing in this popular phrase here, and even utilizing different AI tools to recreate designs like this, we can start adding text to and start bringing into our shop. As you can see, this product sold 49 times in the last 30 days. There's a lot of opportunities here to utilize AI designs and bring in a lot more color to the space that we can start selling these products on our Etsy shop. Now, if you are trying to find a good mockup to use for your t-shirt, you can always head over to Etsy and find great mockups you can use as well. Again, mockups are critical when you're trying to sell these type of products on Etsy. And usually if you just stick with the basic mockups here, these are not going to sell well. But when you can see all of these top products here that's identified by bestsellers, most likely these are where people are buying these mockups and making a lot of sales in regards to these type of print-on-demand products. So you'll find one that fits your niche. Obviously, we're selling this for a man t-shirt. So we'll go in here and put a man mock-up t-shirt here, and now we can find multiple things that fit in line with our designs and our audience that we can start recreating and uploading our product to and start selling on our Etsy shop. Now, if you're new to selling on Etsy and you're not sure how to get started, I want to share with you how I made over 2 sales just in the last 18 days in November utilizing AI tools to help me design them. Again, I share with you my 7 steps to help you make consistent sales on Etsy. You can see just recently we have made double the amount of orders every single day here, with our peak being 25 orders just a few days ago in November 15th. But as you can see here, we're making double-digit sales every single day. This shop has less than 300 products here, and this actually started as a test shop, but now it has become one of my main shops because I'm utilizing the tips and strategies I teach you on my channel. So if you do want to learn those tips and strategies of how to gain daily sales like I am, check out my link down below. It is my super simple guide to Etsy sales, where I share with you my super easy steps for you to make consistent sales online with Etsy. If you want to check out this guide, simply put in the comment section below the word sales, and I'll make sure to send this guide over to you, as well as my 4 training videos that will share with you step by step what I have done to gain consistent sales on Etsy. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel here and check out this next video where you can learn another top trending product you can create and sell on Etsy today. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.